doing? This is Kareem Williams from Keeping It Real with Lefty. And today, we got another food review. Today, we are testing out Popeyes' new blueberry lemon cheesecake pie, as we have right here, as you can see. This is not going to be a long review because it's not going to take me long to test this thing out and see what it's hitting for. But before I do that, if you like my reviews or if you're new here, we do food reviews, YouTube news, and celebrity news. Not much celebrity news, but we do sometimes. We'll get back to that. But for the most part, we do a lot of food reviews, a lot of shorts with food, and we're just foodies over here. So, with that said, if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button. If you really like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay? Let's get into this. Okay. So, this is what the pie looks like. As you can see. I don't know why I did it that way. As you can see. Okay. Let's break this. Ooh. Okay. That is the inside of it, as you can see that. And now we're going to get to tasting. As you can see, it has the blueberry, it has the cheesecake, and this right here. So let's taste it. I'm liking that, people. I'm liking it a lot. You know, I got to give it the off the chain. Popeyes done outdid themselves with this one right here. Jeez Louise. Hold me over, call on them. This right here is gonna have me preaching. This is gonna have me preaching. Oh. My cat on the side of me wants something. That's how good this thing is. Please believe it, please. Holler if you can and don't bother. Oh boy. Listen. This definitely gets a thumbs up. Without a shadow of a doubt. 10 out of 10 out of 10. Please believe it. And this is something that you definitely got to try. Definitely got to try. And with that said, if you like this review, like I said before, somewhere along the top of the screen, I will put for you to check out some of my other videos, some of my playlists. This right here is a keeper, guys. This right here is a keeper. And with that said, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Holler if you can't and don't bother. Oh boy.